guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're making foam friend craft kit. It's easy and fun. Just peel and stick. For ages, for up. So this is a flamingo. In our last video, we made the kitty of the kitty. Here it is. Here's the look. Look at this pocket. It's super cute. I play this all day though. So here's a flamingo and let's open it. Let's open it. It's super pinky. Pinky pie. Ooh. A lot of glitter. Here's the feathers, I think, and the beak. Let's open it. But first, we need to take first. What is this? Whoa, kind of cute though. So here's the flamingo. Here's the flamingo. You can see it's green because it's green totally. And here's the pink one, and you just pop it. Perfect. Okay, we need to set aside this first. Here's the flamingo. Look at the flamingo's body. Look at it. It looks like a flamingo, but it's green. So it's green because the leaves. So here's the body, and you just put it nice and perfect like that. Oh, like this. Like that, okay guys? Now let's do it. Let's do it first. So let's first do this, and we need to type it perfect. Like that, and let's set aside for a minute. So let's set aside. We need this too first, but let's pop it up. A lot. Pops. And I don't know what is this. We need to set aside, okay? This is 2. Oh, I think this is the feet. Yeah, the feet. Now let's trash this up. There, and let's set aside for this first. These twins. Now let's open this pack. I love it. I love glitter, but not sticky glitter. I hate sticky glitter. I like glitter, but I hate sticky glitter because, it will stick in front of your eyes and I will cry. Now let's take all off. Ooh, there's a lot of them. Wait, yeah. Ooh. Here's the gem. Don't lose this, guys, okay? We need this gems. So we need to set aside for this for trash. We will trash it. So here's the googly eyes. One googly eye there. Googly eyes. Right? My only one eye. Set aside. Only one googly eye there. I think, this is the ribbon and the wings. Oh, crank the neck. Pack ganon. Ganon dapat. Joke lang. Now let's pop it up. Carefully. Here's the wings. Cute little wings. Set aside. And here's the ribbon. Do you like ribbon? Comment down below. I like ribbon the most, but I have none ribbons because of my case. I always play ribbon at the whole time. Here's the ribbon. Set aside. Trash. What is this? This is the wings are gone. So let's pop it up. There, like that. And let's set aside. And somehow I see a little ball. I don't know what is that. Oh, that is the nose. The nose, bro. Here we need to set aside. Don't lose this because that is the nose. That's gonna be the nostrils. Set it. Oh. So guys, here is the leg, like this. I don't know. Like, wait. I will show you, okay? Like that. So let's set aside. There. Set aside for gem. Set aside the gem. And here's the beak. Trash. And here's the beak. Beak. And here's her black beak. Here it is. Here's the black beak. You know what is this? That is smiley face. So let's set aside. And here's the heart and the little mosquito. Jolene, this little cutie thing. Now let's trash this and trash this too. Don't even trash this because we need this picture so we can see what we do. And I will show you how to make it. Here's the flamingo, and let's get the beak. So let's get the yellow beak. Here it is, the yellow beak. And we will put it right here, and you see a white part, you just only peel it and trash it. There, like that, and put careful and nice, like that. And let's get the black beak, peel it, and nice and perfect, like that. And you see this little mini one? It's mini, guys, okay? And you need just to peel in the back. The foam you need it because that, and put it right here. Now let's get the wing part. Here it is, guys. You see this, and I think like that or like this. Like this. Let's get the instructions. Oh, okay. I understand now. It's like that. Now let's peel the back. Nice and careful. Now put it nice and slow, okay, guys? Because you need to totally perfect fit. You need to be careful and soak around it. Like that. And I think like that. Like that. And let's peel the back. Boop. Ooh, cool. Now there and there. Look pretty good. And you saw this like 4. Yeah, this is the leg. Like this, guys. You see mini balls? And you see like cut ball, and you just put nice and hala. Oh no. Like that. Now, let's get the part of the ribbon and get the heart. Only the heart, okay, guys? And the gem. Now, the heart we will put it right here. There's white part, peel, and stick. No need glue, okay, guys? Now, let's see the instructions. Only gem. Okay, 1 gem. And you just only put it in the middle or, in the middle, side. Okay, right there. And you see something right here. You need to peel the white part. And stick it carefully, though. Because that is the main part. Like this. Super cool. Now let's get the gems and put it right here at the top. 1 gem. 2 gem. 3 gem. Like that. And you need this, the cheeks. But first let's do this. This, what is it called? Googly eyes. Yes, googly eyes. And googly eye. And you just put whatever, like there, or right here, or right here, or right here. No, like here, right there. Like that. And get the cheek and put it right here. Now let's peel it. Super hard to peel the mini ones. And put it right there. Cool, right? Super cool and natural and glittery. So, whoa. Right? Super cool and super natural. Look at it. There's glitter right here and gems. Oh, here's glitter and glitter. Now let's play. Puppet show. Puppet show. The puppet show will be start in 5 minutes. So guys, they will have a dance. Here's the kitty cat, and here's the flamingo. They will dance, la 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 la, like this. They have feet to feet and slap and bum bum. In there we have the cookie. Let's eat cookies. Nom 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 nom. Okay, guys. I hope you like my video, and please smash that subscribe and click that bell button and share like that. And guys, I hope you like my video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. ay, ay.